Mr. Postman, I haven't heard from my boyfriend in so long, and I don't know where he is. Do you have a letter in your bag for me from him, huh?
Oh, quit your yelling, woman, and let me tell you something.
I'm just a postman, don't you see? Just leaving letters up and down your street. Now I don't know why you don't hear from your fella. Don't ask me. I'm not the fortune teller, just a post office employee. But you're gonna make a wreck of me, running down the street, yelling and crying. I'm just a simple guy, and all I'm doing is trying to be a postman. Yes, indeed. Not a lawyer or a PhD. Now I don't know what happened to you. I wouldn't be surprised if you told me crazy yelling postman.
Postman!
Hey, postman.
Postman!
Hey, postman.
Postman!
Hey, postman.
Postman!
I'm just a postman, that is all. Missing persons is who you should call. Your boyfriend don't write you or what you asking for. Maybe he's in Burma, working with the Peace Corps, just a postman. Yes, indeed. Not a lawyer or a PhD. Now I don't know what happened to you, baby. I wouldn't be surprised if you drove me crazy yelling postman.
Postman!
Hey, postman.
Postman!
Hey, postman.
Postman!
A mess with the mail and you go to jail. I'm the postman.
Postman!
Hey, postman.
Postman!
Hey, postman.
Postman!
A sleet, a snow, the mail has got to go, 'cause I'm the postman.